Hello everybody, welcome to Admit Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video also you are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Oscillations. What is the question, sir? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2023. The xt graph, it means what? Time t is taken along the x-axis and the displacement x is taken along the y-axis. Xt graph of a particle performing simple harmonic motion is shown in the figure. This is the figure. The acceleration of the particle at t, small t, is equal to 2 seconds is how much? Option 1, minus pi square by 8 meter per second square. 2, pi square by 16 meter per second square. C, minus pi square by 16 meter per second square. 4, pi square by 16 meter per second square. Okay, that's all. The equation for SHM is x is equal to a sin omega t. That you know very well. Here velocity v is equal to dx by dt. That is equal to a omega cos omega t. And acceleration a is dv by dt. So once again you are differentiating minus a into omega square sin omega t. So from the figure, capital here a is the amplitude, omega is the angular velocity or angular frequency, and that's all. Okay, and t is the instant of time. So a is the amplitude. So from the figure, you know the value of amplitude a is 1. Okay, that's all. T instant of time, that is 2 seconds. That has been given in your question, 2 seconds. And omega is equal to 2 pi by t, that you know. And t is the time period. What is the time period? It is originating here. It goes like this. So the time taken for one complete oscillation is 8 seconds. So now you can substitute this value in this equation for A. Okay, that's all. So substituting the values, omega is equal to 2 pi by t, A is equal to 1, t is equal to 8 seconds, small t is equal to 2 seconds, capital T is the time period of oscillations. Small t is the instant of time at which you are going to find the acceleration. So we get A is equal to minus a omega square sin omega t. So minus 1 into what is this? Omega square 2 pi by 8. This is 8, 2 pi by 8. So 2 pi by t is equal to 2 pi by 8 the whole square in sin omega t. What is omega? 2 pi by 8. 2 pi by 8 and into t instant of time into 2. Okay, that's all. So that is equal to A is equal to minus 1 into. When 2 pi by 8 is squared, you will get 4 pi square divided by 8 into 64. 4 pi square divided by 64. You know what is this? 2 into 2, 4. 4 pi divided by 8. 4 4 8 that is equal to pi by 2. So that is sin pi by 2. See, once again I am telling, A is the acceleration which you are asked to find out is equal to minus 1 into 4 pi square divided by 64 into sin pi by 2. What does it mean by pi by 2? 90 degree. What is sin 90? 1. Okay. So that is A is equal to, this one you need not write. So 16 So pi square by 16 into sin 91. So that is equal to minus pi square by 16. So option 3 is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer. Okay. So we will see one more question from this chapter oscillations in our next video also. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.